Benefits of choosing a ceramic wash basin. Dear friends, ceramic wash basins are the most popular sanitary ware for normal bathrooms. When you buy a new wash basin or other ceramic sanitary ware, you may notice the distinct glossy surface of these wares. However, due to water quality, soap usage, and residue, the item can lose its shine and color over time. Don't worry, these are not permanent deteriorations. The surface of the ceramic wares, including bathroom wash basins, accumulates limescale and soap grease that can hide the original glossy surface of the sanitary ware. Qualities of ceramic wash basin. Ceramic wash basin designs are the most popular and versatile among sanitary ware choices. Ceramics offer several benefits over other materials that make the sink a preferable choice for bathrooms and even kitchens in some cases. Durable material. Ceramic wash basins are known for their durability and resilience. The ceramic surface is resistant to scratches, stains, and fading, making it suitable for long-term use in a bathroom environment. Easy to clean and maintain. Ceramic surfaces are smooth and non-porous, making them easy to clean and maintain. Stains and dirt can be easily wiped away with mild cleaners, keeping the basin looking fresh and hygienic. Water resistance. Ceramic is naturally resistant to water and moisture, making it an ideal material for wash basins. It avoids water absorption, reducing the risk of damage, such as cracking or warping, over time. Design versatility. Ceramics allows for a wide range of design options, including various shapes, sizes, colors, and patterns. This versatility lets you choose a ceramic wash basin that matches your desired style and complements your bathroom decor. Heat resistance. Ceramics are highly heat resistant, which means they can withstand hot water without any adverse effects. This quality makes it suitable for use with hot water taps or in areas where high temperatures are common. Hygienic. Ceramic is a hygienic material choice for washing basins as it does not promote bacteria or mold growth. Its non-porous surface prevents the accumulation of dirt and germs, contributing to a cleaner and healthier bathroom environment. Longevity. With proper care, ceramic wash basins can maintain their quality and appearance for an extended period. They are resistant to wear and tear, ensuring a long lifespan and value for your investment. Eco-friendly. Ceramics is an eco-friendly material choice for wash basins. It is made from natural clay and minerals, which are abundant and renewable resources. Additionally, ceramic can be recycled at the end of its life, reducing environmental impact. Affordability. Ceramic wash basins are more affordable than other materials like stone or glass. This makes them a cost-effective choice for your home if you are looking for a durable and visually appealing wash basin within your budget. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Laud's channel, How to Make My House.